Okay, this is how to find Bitcoin, cryptocurrency price prediction charts online completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is blockchain.center.net. Basically, this is a Bitcoin rainbow chart. As you can see, we have the rainbow, or the different colors, and price predictions. We basically have a table to show us what this means. We have a newer Bitcoin rainbow chart, and yeah, this is a pretty decently good website. The next website is bitbo.io charts. This is also a semi-rainbow chart, although basically this is the stock to flow model live chart, or this is the second option. You click stock to flow, and as you can see, not sure which version this is, but this is a free Bitcoin chart that will predict the price completely for free. The next one is Coin Codex. It's also a rainbow chart, very similar to the first chart. As you can see, it predicts the price of Bitcoin. You have different guidelines to tell you what each thing means, and yeah, right here it will show you what this is, and this is completely for free. They even have news and art articles. The last one is coinstats.app, and again, this is also a rainbow chart. Pretty similar to the previous websites. I'll leave links down in the video description completely.